Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dipen from Pune, and today I'm back at the Benelli showroom in Pune. This is the company showroom, and we're going to review the 2021 BS6 Leoncino 500. So not wasting much time, let's begin. I'll take some cinematic shots first and then continue with the review to show you what all changes are there in the bike, or is it still the same. So guys, I hope you like the cinematic shots, and let's begin with the actual review, and let me tell you what are the specifications. So basically this is still the earlier version that was available in India. The only change that has happened in this bike is the BS6 norms. Baki sab wahi ka wahi same hai. But for the sake of review, let's go through what all the specifications in actual are. So the bike is still inline 2-cylinder DOHC liquid cool 812 500cc engine, and it is 47.5 PS of power and 46 Nm of torque. So the gearbox is still the same, it is still the 6-speed transmission, there's no change in it, that too. For those who don't know, the TRK 502 and Leoncinos share the same engine. All the specifications are same in terms of the components and all, except for the transmission, where there is slight change in the gearing between the two. I don't have the actual details, but probably I could ask someone from Benelli and get that. So you can recognize, or you can make out this change once you start riding the two bikes one after another. You'll come to know that the complete feel of the two bikes is different in terms of power delivery and all. Of course, weight wise, distribution wise is also, this is much lighter than the TRK. It is much smaller. The fuel tank capacity of this bike is 12.7 liters, and I guess usable should be around 10 liters. 2.7 आपको वहीं रखना है so that the FI does not run dry. Tire size up front is 120/17. This is also the same, it doesn't change, and these are Pirelli Angel STs right now. At the rear it is 160/60, and let me show you this tire size. Here's the tire size, it is 160/60 ZR 17-inch, and again this is a Pirelli Angel ST series. Braking is handled by 320mm twin discs up front. Okay, you get a disc brake on both the sides, and of course you have ABS as standard on the bike, and it is switchable, and the rear disc is 260mm. Again, these are Benelli brakes, they are not Brembo or something, so but reliable, yes. ABS can be switched off using the button out here on the left hand side grip on the mirror stay. Switch gear is pretty minimalistic, and it is similar to what was there on the previous gen TRKs as well as Leoncinos. So this is used for starting the bike. This is the hazard light, this is the engine kill switch, and you have the headlight flash over here. Okay, then you have the high and low beam selector over here, you have the indicators over here, and you have the on switch over here. The mirrors seem to be pretty small, and they are inside the handlebar if you look at that way. I'm not sure how effective these are, so probably when I take a test ride out on the bike, I'll come to know, I'll let you know how the feel is, how the if you can see it behind or not. The front shock absorber is again adjustable for preload and dampening. So this is something what I miss on my TRK 502, the street version. Benelli should have, it was very easy for them to get this on the TRK2. Again, the rear too is adjustable and it is quite easy. Benelli has given this knob very handy, so if you're wearing gloves or something also while on the ride, on the fly you can stop and quickly adjust according to your needs. The tail lamp on this bike is a LED unit and it's a simplistic oval unit. It looks decent, beautiful, nice, ekdam, well layout. There are no protruding parts and all. And if you look at it from far off, it looks really beautiful, especially with the whole setup of the LED indicators and this scrambler grab over here. So this looks really beautiful. Let me show you how the headlamp looks. So it is a AOH unit and it starts as soon as you start the bike. Let me turn on it to low beam. So at low beam you have a projector which is LED, and again on the high beam too it is an LED. This is how the flash works, and here's both the lights working together. So once your high beam is on, the low beam does not turn off. So this will be a very good advantage, you're going to get a very good throw. If you look at the rider footrest and the pillion footrest, so this is the rider one and this is the pillion one. It is quite wide, so this is going to give good amount of comfort to the pillion as well as rider for small as well as long rides. And I suppose these are removable, so the rubber, you can remove the bolts from here. And if you plan to do a little bit of off-road, of course this bike is not an off-road version, it is a street version, but if you do plan to do a slight off-road, you can remove this rubbers from the two bolts below. Another good setup is this hugger setup. Okay, it looks really strong and is actually really strong. If you look at the mounts, it has got a double frame from here coming out, and the tail lamp is mounted right here. Number plate light, not the tail lamp, and then the main number plate sits here. Even the plates to hold the number plate, the one below, the clamp is really beautifully set up. It looks really nice upmarket. The levers, unlike the latest TRK, only the brake side is adjustable and it is 4-step adjustable. On the clutch side right now you don't get any adjustable levers. Like the exhausts of the Benellis, the keys are always a plus point, and I simply love this Benelli Leoncino key. It has got the Leoncino branding on it and it opens like a Kolhapuri knife. Simply nice. So let's talk about something that Benelli has done, to make the bike feel a little upmarket or premium at the given price point. They have given a very good handlebar which has got this branding over here for Benelli. My DJI is not focusing well, but otherwise, you got the branding over here. Again, on the hand grips on both the sides. Coming to the engine, you got some branding over here also. Okay. Coming to the exhaust, you got a branding here too. And of course, a small branding here on the chain cover too. Did we miss out the cute little lion here? Of course, cute because the size is very nice and small. And no, it doesn't break easily. Many users have been using this. It's a metal frame, probably aluminum CNC cut stuff. I spoke a lot about all the specifications and all, but I haven't yet showed you the exhaust sound or made you listen to the exhaust sound. So let me fire the engine. It's got a double barrel exhaust out here and the sound is just superb. Speaking about the color options, we got two options out here. This is the Leoncino red out here and there's a silver color. Let me show you that. And here's the second color. It's the silver out here, and unlike the Red one, the Leoncino red, the silver is a matte finish, but looks absolutely decent. So guys, that's it from my side for this Leoncino 500 specifications review. I'll be soon doing a small test ride in the city with the bike, so do watch out for that video. And if you liked anything from this video, do let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, obviously do let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer them at the earliest. Thanks for watching. See you until another video.
Burn 'em, burn 'em. Hottest money I be making, I'ma burn 'em, burn 'em. I'ma murk 'em. And if they playing with this fire, I'ma burn 'em. Murder, it's a murder. Disrespect this time I spark it, I'ma burn 'em. And I'll be searching, I'll be lurking, I'ma hurt 'em. And all these bridges that I'm building, I'ma burn 'em, burn 'em, burn 'em. Hottest money I be making, I'ma burn 'em, burn 'em. Smoke it up. Burn 'em. Whop a nigga's bucket, I'ma serve 'em. Spinning on a block with a mop, I disturb 'em. I never killed a nigga, but I'm ready to spit a hollow right on a person. And the curse, I'm about to merge on a nigga's turf. I'ma let a nigga burn, burn, let him burn. And these pussies better learn. When I pull up, I'ma burst. Make a nigga see stars spinning, leave him on a curb. Burn 'em, burn 'em. Hottest money I be making, I'ma burn 'em, burn 'em. Burn 'em down till he out of town. And I got it on me, nigga, don't you fuck around. Moving with a stick, it's in the whip, not the shift. But I'll switch it to the beam when I'm standing on your ground. You should know to never come around my town. You're not welcome in the hood cause you a clown. I got shooters ready just to lay you down. And they not afraid to waste a couple rounds. Burn 'em, burn 'em. Hottest money I be making, I'ma burn 'em.